on. Don't cry. You were marvelous. Really. It was the best I've ever seen. And I've been to the circus a great many times, eh? You were spectacular. Really? Don't cry.
You promised I could cry all I want.
Oh, yes, I did. Okay. Well, go ahead. Knock yourself out.
Fortunately, Palala salvaged your haversack. Careful. That's peach powder, huh?
I lost it up there. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm trying to thank you.
That was a good job. Enough said. Go easy.
Oh, I'm not driving.
All working, apparently.
No wonder why you like this stuff. Oh, don't make me laugh. Oh, God. Oh, don't make me laugh. It hurts. Ow. Oh, oh, ah.
Hold on.
Oh, 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 oh. Ow, that burns. Oh.
I know.
What is it? What is it?
It's
Burning.
Magic.
No, magic, yes, that old black of magic has got me in it. That old black magic that you weave so well.
I know. Terrifying,
Those
isn't it?
icy fingers up and down your spine.
No, my spine. No.
Oh, I'm in a spin, loving the spin I'm in.
All right.
Ooh,
Bedtime.
come on, sing it, Kimball. Really big finish. Come on, sing us a bar. Come on.
I should stay away, but what should I do? I hear your name.
I'm in a flame. Come on, sing it.
Get some sleep, Ray.